Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this easy Alfredo sauce. This one is so good. It tastes amazing over pasta, or you can even use it for pizza sauce. It is one of my husband's absolute faves. So let's get started. We just have a couple garlic cloves that we are gonna cut up, and we've got some Parmesan cheese we're gonna shred. That is basically the only thing that we have to prep for this, which is perfect. After you're done prepping those ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and boil 10 ounces of spaghetti, which is about a little over a half of a package. And I like to add just a little bit of salt and olive oil into the pot, just so the noodles don't stick. Next, we're gonna get a skillet over medium-low heat, and we're gonna melt a half a stick of butter, then add in those 2 garlic cloves and just toast them for about 60 seconds until they're just nice and toasted and fragrant. Then you're gonna drop the temperature down to low and add in heavy cream. And you're gonna let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes and just stir it every few minutes. It's gonna get a little bit more together, but it's still gonna stay a little bit separated, so don't worry about that. Just make sure that it's heating up and that it's not boiling, it's just getting nice and warm. Then once our pasta is about al dente, we're gonna just ladle a few spoonfuls of pasta water, which is the secret to any good sauce. And then go ahead and dump those noodles out. We've already saved the sauce we need. Then you're gonna add in the Parmesan cheese to the cream sauce and stir this up until it melts. Then add a little bit of black pepper, stir that in. So I'm like a huge fan of like the spoon test with this one. I use wooden spoons all the time when I cook. It's like my favorite thing to have. But what you can do is you can kind of tell when it's getting thick enough. So like when I move that like that, see how it really stays in place? It's getting nice and thick. And if it's too thin, you can turn your heat up a little bit for a minute and get it nice and thick. It shouldn't be though. As long as you follow the recipe, you should be in good shape. Next, you're just gonna pour your pasta sauce over the top of the pasta, or you can add the spaghetti into the pasta sauce. Either way is totally fine. And then just a little bit of pasta water, just thin it out and make it nice and creamy. Then I like to serve mine with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some fresh parsley. Pasta is my absolute favorite. I could not live without it, I don't think. This is so good. It's actually pretty light. It's not like as heavy as you'd think it would be, but it is just absolutely delicious. That's it. We're all done with this easy Alfredo sauce recipe. I hope you decide to try it, and if you do, let me know in the comments. Make sure to check out my video on quick pasta recipes too. You will absolutely love that one. Thanks so much for being here. Be sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together, and I will see you next time. Bye.